Customer experience design is really about aligning how an organization works internally with what the customer priorities are. That ends up translating into the business helping customers get their jobs done faster, easier, and better at every touch point, at every moment of truth along the customer journey. Course participants will learn the disciplines, methodology, and processes used to comprehensively manage a customer's cross-channel exposure, interactions, and transactions with a company, brand, or with a service. It will offer an integrated framework for designing customer experiences in the physical, digital, and phygital worlds. For example, buy online and pick up in the store. It will also teach how to create successful, experientially based market strategies that will help leverage your organizations.
There's a lot that you will learn in this course, but let us highlight the 6 key disciplines of customer experience design. It starts with customer experience strategy and shows how it must dovetail into and align with corporate strategy to be truly representative of a customer-obsessed organization. The second discipline is customer understanding. It will help participants learn who your customers really are, their needs, their wants, their perceptions, through the collection of customer feedback along the many touch points on the customer journey. This will generate real, actionable customer insights. The third discipline combines design and delivery. Design thinking isn't just a method. It fundamentally changes the fabric of your organization and of your business. So how do we identify friction points in physical and digital processes, do a root cause analysis, and then design seamless journeys that will allow for hassle-free delivery to make your experiences simple, easy, and joyful? The focus will be on prevention, continuous improvement, innovation, and creativity.
The fourth discipline is measurement. How do you measure customer experience, the ROI or the ROX, the return on experience? How do we link CX initiatives with cost efficiencies and incremental or new revenue streams? Governance is the fifth discipline. While the commitment to CX management must flow from the boardroom, the passion must be felt at all levels of the organization, leading to the formation of customer advocacy councils, business improvement councils, inner loops and outer loops that will always have the fingers on the pulse of customer experiences and expectations. Perhaps the most vital of all this in culture is the sixth discipline. How do we create a shared purpose, a system of shared belief systems, values, and behaviors that will encourage, empower, and enable the organization's ecosystem to design and deliver remarkable and memorable experiences? Well, theory is always important, but in this course, we want the learners to leave with the capacity and capability to effect change in the CX of their organizations. And one of the best ways to expand your capacity is to learn through case studies, real-life situations and examples of practical applications. It's also very important that you can take away real tools and models that you can start applying at your work right away.
It is often mistakenly thought that customer experience, CX, and UX or UI are interchangeable points of reference. Consider CX as the outer shell and the contents being UX design, UI design, product design, and service design. So, the course is not about UX or UI design, both of which are tactical elements of customer experiences. Rather, it offers you a more strategic understanding of how best to build a customer-obsessed organization using the 6 disciplines.
Generally speaking, there's a lot of content out there about the mechanics and the tactics of customer experience. We want to elevate the learner's experience to a higher order. Yes, you'll get tools, models, methodologies, etc. To use it in the right way. But if you don't know why you want to have a garden of flowers or know what the layout of the garden should look like, then how can you build a beautiful garden and know where each flower should be placed? Having said that, there are two unique features we want to highlight. The first is working on 4 workbooks that the course will present, which you can use as a source of reflection and as a direction setter for the challenges to be addressed with your organization. This makes your learning ready for on-the-job application at the end of the course. The second unique feature is the availability of the course faculty to build your company's CX design value proposition in conjunction with the SPJIMR's corporate services. These services offer exclusive custom designed programs to address specific executive learning and/or corporate training mandates from individual organizations. Under this format, a CX design course can be designed in collaboration with the client organization.
Absolutely. I've learned that when individuals, teams, and organizations have customer experience design under their skin, the results can surprise and delight. Besides financial impact, the joys of collaboration, of creating and co-creating and addressing the unique challenges that confront the business and its ecosystem every day make work fun, fulfilling, and rewarding. When CX design becomes part of the value system, it is a win for the employee, for the stakeholder, for the customer, and hence the organization. This course is truly about the business of experiences.
Absolutely, for sure. I'm really excited about this course. It's unique and different. It's going to help participants achieve a far greater level of knowledge, understanding, and proficiency. It's also very exciting to be partnering with SPJIMR. This is a tremendous program being offered through an outstanding institution. There's a lot to be enthusiastic about.